Smart cities, enhancing urban living. Smart cities utilize IoT technology to improve urban living by optimizing infrastructure, enhancing public services, and promoting sustainability. By connecting various city systems and devices, smart cities can collect and analyze data to make informed decisions that benefit residents and the environment. This interconnectedness leads to more efficient use of resources, reduced environmental impact, and improved quality of life. One of the key components of a smart city is intelligent transportation systems. These systems use IoT to manage traffic flow, reduce congestion, and improve public transit efficiency. For example, smart traffic lights can adjust their timing based on real-time traffic conditions, while connected buses and trains provide real-time arrival information to passengers. These advancements result in smoother, more efficient urban mobility. Another critical aspect of smart cities is energy management. IoT enables the monitoring and control of energy usage across buildings and public spaces, leading to more efficient consumption and reduced carbon emissions. Smart grids, for instance, can balance energy supply and demand, integrate renewable energy sources, and detect outages in real time. By leveraging IoT technology, smart cities can create more sustainable and resilient urban environments.